Hey guys, it's your boy Huggy here. Just got off work and it's pretty nice out today and it's not too hot. So a project I've been putting off for a little while now is changing out the badges on the 2003 Fat Boy. If you've seen some of my other videos, I cannot stand the 100th anniversary. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know I can't stand the 100th anniversary badge. So I'm going to take it off today and actually put on, you can see here, just one of the traditional style circle and star Fat Boy badge. I love those a lot. So I'm actually going to take those off, put that on. I thought you guys might want to see, I don't know how I do it. I'm going to try the method I seen online where you just use a hair dryer and fishing line. I also have like a plastic panel remover for cars that I'll probably use if it gets a little jammed up. I wanted to do this during the summer when it was really hot out, so I could just leave the bike out in the sun and let the heat do a lot of the work on the tank. But like I said, I've just been putting it off and got away from me. But I really want to get it done, so I'm going to at least start it today. Thought you guys might want to check it out. Hit that like and subscribe. That way you don't miss any other drops. See the finished product if I don't get it done today. But yeah, let's just get right into it. So like I said, to start off, I'm just going to be blow drying it, see how it goes. Just your basic $5 Revlon hair dryer. So because it is the 03 and a little old and stubborn, I've actually decided to use this kind of heavy gauge zip tie. It seems to be getting through there pretty good. So initially I thought this would be a time-lapse video, but it's really coming off pretty quick. I got a feeling the hard part's going to be just cleaning off all the back stick. I don't know if you ever seen these logos up close, but the center's got this gold inlet. That part's kind of cool. Once I get this off, I might try and pop that out. Yeah, that came off pretty quick. We'll see. So you can see they're still in like brand new condition. It's actually, goddamn, it's hot. I don't know, so I'm either gonna just keep it with the bike in case I try and sell it. If anybody's interested, they're pretty much mint. Just put a comment down below. I might sell them. I don't know, I actually might try and get that gold inlet. It's cool. I might get that out and mount it somewhere else. Anyway, I'm going to try and clean this up. I'll film that. But the fam jam is kind of hitting me up. When are we getting the pizza? So I'm going to run and get that, and then we'll see how much daylight I have left. I'll finish getting some of this off today, hopefully. But thanks for coming back. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit those notifications. I'm going to go grab the pizza, and then we'll get back at this. I'm going to try and get you guys in close here. This is what do they call it? Just a plastic, I'm losing my thought. It's the plastic fastener remover for your car interior, like you're removing it, or the body trim. And it's just peeling this right off. Hopefully you guys can get a good look at this. It's just coming right off of there. That's a 03. Peeling right off. This is really, I actually might paint it eventually one day. But it's just coming right off of there. Oh yeah. And I'm actually not too worried about the outline because the new badge is gonna be similar in size. Alright, so if you're anything like me, you know how it is. Once you start, you can't stop. So remember I said I was gonna go get that pizza. I still haven't yet. My wife just said, oh, we're starving. Where's the pizza? But I can't help myself. I gotta at least try. So I'm using this, no sponsorship, just showing you what I'm using. This lift off sticker, tape, and adhesive remover. I mean, I'll put more in the description. Again, I'm not sponsored, but if it works, you might want to know for yourself. Get you guys a close look at that. Yeah, it's coming off pretty good. You have to let it sit for a little bit. I just want to at least test it a little bit while I was excited about how fast it was working. Stop the runoff there. Off doing this. I may need something a little more abrasive than this. Killing myself. Gosh. Face full of that stuff. Maybe I won't edit that out. You guys can see what really happens when we're doing this crap. Not the edited version later. This is legit though. I really thought this was going to take a lot more effort. I might even go no badge. So I'm actually going to leave that soak. Go back up. Do some more and leave it soak while I go get that pizza. So to size this up, I haven't really worked at that hard yet, but I'm actually going to not really need to do too much. I don't know if you can see, but it fits pretty good on there. There's a few spots that I really have to make sure I get off, but a lot of it can just remain as is underneath. All right, so just to finish up the right side here, you can see it's just about all gone. There's a couple spots that I'll work out, but all I used was the blow dryer, basic blow dryer, $5 thing, a heavy gauge zip tie. This stuff was really good. Again, not sponsored, but highly recommend. And a piece of a t-shirt. That was it. 22 years of glue came right off. I haven't even picked up the pizza yet. I ordered it and I finished it up while I was waiting the 15 minutes, and now I'm going to get it. So, hey, if you think about doing it, I recommend try it. This product's pretty good. Now, this is an 03. If it was a 2023, I probably would have, been more careful or paid more attention, maybe got a nice buffer out, but for this job, good enough. 20-30 minutes total. Huggy here with another video for you. Badge removal. I'll get the new one on there, show you what it looks like. In the meantime, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Keep this content coming to you. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, so just to follow up, it's the next day. Yesterday I was taking off the gunk from the badge. I want to give you guys a look out here now. It's nice and sunny out today. You can see it did a great job on that side. All right, guys, so I'm still at it with the badge removal. Well, the removal's done. The mock-up of the other one didn't have the curve right on the new ones that I was going to put on. And I told you they were cheap knockoffs, so I tried to put them in a vise, bend them up a little bit, but they both snapped at the wing part. So I'm actually going to try and just grind some of it off, or cut what I can off, and then get the Dremel and see if I can smooth it out and salvage it. As you can see, I lost the wing on both sides. So I'm just gonna see what I can do, and I didn't want you guys to think that everything went smooth and then miraculously I just have stuff on the bike and you didn't see what happened. So showing you the whole process. All right, let's get into it. So that was a dumb idea. They're just gonna look like shit even if I get them. Even if I get them looking good, they're just gonna look dumb. So maybe a rainy day I'll try and Dremel them up and, I don't know, fasten them to the toolbox or something like that, but they're not going on the bike. So it's back to eBay and see if I can find anything to put on this thing. Anyway, I guess it was a little fun worth a shot. I'm gonna go out and do something else. I'll talk to you guys later.